Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Mate Xs2, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, we're gonna swipe down from the top of our screen, and there might be a separation, so make sure you do it from the right side, which gets you your toggles, and then locate the screen recorder. When you see it, simply tap on it. I'm gonna agree. By default, it will have the microphone on when you start recording, and without a countdown, it just automatically starts recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by your screen, or screen recorder to be more precise. And there might be some limitation. I'm looking for some kind of applications that could block it, but I don't really see anything here that would fall under that category. So in any case, once you're done recording, you can click right here where the timer is. This will automatically save it to your photos, gallery application, whatever we have right here, which is this thing here. So it's gallery. And you will be able to see it right here at the very front, or you can navigate to albums, and in albums you can find screenshot album, which will contain screenshots and also screen recordings. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.